Alright guys, so my windshield washer pump has gone. Right, so I have a Skoda Octavia Mk2, this version 2009, and I need to replace it. There's no manual online that showed me how I could. So I'm making a video. Basically I have to take out this trim, which is front of here, this trim, and you're gonna undo these two bolts to take off this fog light to reach the pump in your back. I'll show you now. Right, so I'm removing the bolts. I just removed the bolts, sorry, and I'm going to, this has broken for some reason. It's very easy to come out. Ooh, I need 2 hands for this. Here is the pump. Now don't do what I do by doing this. There's a lip on top of the plug that's actually holding it down. All you have to do is to press it in and push it up and it will come off. Alright, so I'm definitely in a whole mess here since it is actually full and spewing out. I'm gonna try and do this quickly then. Right, so I got a brick to sit on. Now the trick is to get out this thing from here. Okay, next update. So it's out. But what needs to happen, you could just grab onto one side, reserve this lip here with a flathead, and make sure it's fully raised and push it out with some force. Right? Right, so it's back in. Now once this is back on, you have to make sure and press it in and you'll hear a clip. Okay? Not a clip, a click. Right, let's put this back in and see how it works. So the new one is back inside. I'm gonna test it out. Forget this. But so the ignition is not on, but the power is on. I'm gonna pull the stalk forward, and the motor is coming on, and there is water coming out, guys. That's a successful swap, guys. Now that's how to repair or replace your windshield water pump.